How to turn on profile view history on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn on or enable the profile view history on TikTok. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version, because profile views is actually a new feature. So you want to head over to your app store. In the search box, you want to go ahead and simply type in TikTok and then ensure that you have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. After we've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to simply go ahead and open TikTok. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So make sure that you are logged into your account. Now what you might want to do is, after you are logged into your TikTok account, you can see this is how the home interface is going to look like. So what you want to do is, from the bottom right hand side of the menu, you will simply be able to see this profile icon or your profile page. So you want to go ahead and simply tap on this profile icon which you see. Once you tap on your profile icon, you'll be taken to our profile page. Now what you want to do is, here on the top right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see this eye icon. So what you can do is simply tap on this eye icon. Now this is the profile view history eye icon. And as you can see right over here, it says turn on profile view history. You can also read there, it says that other people can see that you viewed their profiles in the past 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile, and only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed profile in the past 30 days will be shown. You can turn this off at any time. So you want to understand that if you are trying to turn on profile view history, and if someone who has not turned on profile view history actually views your profile, then you will not be able to know that person has actually viewed your profile. So it works in both cases. That is that you actually want to make sure both of you have actually turned on profile view history, and then only it is actually going to notify you that you have actually viewed their profile, or they have actually viewed their profile as well. So in order to turn on profile view history, what we might actually want to do is, here from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you want to simply tap on this turn on button which you see. Go ahead and simply tap on the turn on button. As you tap on turn on, you can see it says profile view history will appear here. Only you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Only people who turned in profile view history will be shown. So this was the way on how you can very easily turn on profile view history on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.